Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to watch NetShort series for free, legally and safely without breaking any rules. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for netshort.com. It is the official website of NetShort. You can also download its application from Google Play Store or App Store, the icon of which is like this. So once you are on this page, you need to first of all create your account here. So NetShort offers a selection of free to watch web series. You need to just look for the free or watch without subscription label. These change often, so you can check back regularly. You can even use the free trials if available, because in some regions they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can watch the premium series during this time. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. You can also watch your favorite series here with the help of the ads, because in some areas NetShort allows you to watch their content absolutely for free, but you will have to watch the ads instead of paying. So this is also a legit way to view the episodes at no cost. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to view NetShort series for free. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.